15-member cycle expedition team of RS Group Nainital, Uttarakhand, who were in Imphal yesterday to convey a public message on Save Earth, Free from Pollution, have left Imphal from Kangla today. The trio will further travel to other parts of the country to spread awareness on making the environment plastic-free. Segmai constituency MLA Haikam Dingo received injuries during a road mishap that took place at Khongampat Awanglekai under Segmai police station last afternoon. Reportedly, the accident occurred when the vehicle the minister was travelling collided with a Tata truck. The MLA's PSO and driver also sustained injuries during the incident. A total of 11,847 Bru voters, including 5,786 female voters in 6 transit camps in Tripura, have been included in Mizoram voter list as per a source. Mizoram has enrolled about 60.26% of its total population of about 11 lakh in voter list as final roll, which figured more than 79,900 electorates as published on Friday last. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Minister as Pangyu Phom yesterday said there are no confirmed cases of novel coronavirus in Nagaland till date. He said this in a reply to a question from leader of the opposition T.R. Zeliang in the Legislative Assembly. However, he said 7 persons have been advised and kept under home isolation, according to reports. In the exit poll of Delhi elections 2020, the ruling Am Aadmi Party is all set to return to power for another term with a big win, based on the projections of all major exit polls. However, the BJP on off the exit polls that predicted a clear majority for Arvind Kejriwal's Am Aadmi Party, according to media reports.